I learned early, silence don't mean peace. Sometimes it means pressure. Sometimes it means power. Quiet don't mean weak. I'm built like that. I carry the weight, but I don't react. God stay loud even when I stay back. Now silence makes noise when you understand that. I don't talk much, I calculate breath. Every pause got teeth, every word got depth. Consonants cut clean when I activate stress. I don't spill my mind, I laminate it fresh. Raised with answers, don't come with applause. Just do or die logic and internal laws. So I stack my syllables tight like vaults. Every bar locked in, no room for fault. I don't rush rage, I refrigerate it, let it age till it's sharp in the statements. If I sound calm while the tempo escalates, that's discipline talking, not hesitation. I've been misread more than I've been understood, so now I speak less and I move more good. Country draw stitched to a city trained tongue. I don't bark threats, I just get it done. Every breath time, no wasted motion. I've been the pocket till it start feeling claustrophobic. They chase volume, I chase alignment. Hit harder when logic and anger and silence. I don't need the crowd to validate stance. I already stood when nobody clapped. If the room get tense when I don't react, that's cause restraint got a violent impact. Quiet don't mean weak. I'm built like that. I carry the weight, but I don't react. Heart stay loud even when I stay back. Silence makes noise when you understand that. I don't scream truth, I let tension form. Watch it crawl through the room like a coming storm. Every sentence measured, pressure informed. I don't raise my pitch, I lower the floor. They want chaos clips, I give composure. Let control feel colder than any exposure. I've been doubted, sidelined, quietly judged. Now my stillness alone make the loud ones flush. I don't flex change, I flex restraint. Turn the impulse down till it suffocate. If my eyes stay calm in a heated exchange, that's not fear, that's a calculated range. Silent strategist, mental endurance. I don't leak thoughts, I ensure them. Pain talk patience, regret talk aim. Now every ball lands sharp, no ricochet. Operation emotion, portion the fire. Use just enough heat to cauterize wires. So we roll speeches, no crowd to inspire. Just inner alignment and outcomes that follow. I don't need noise to confirm I'm alive. I've been breathing deep in the pressure, survive if I speak last. That's by design, cause the quiet ones usually finalize. Quiet don't mean weak. I'm built like that. I carry the weight, but I don't react. Heart stay loud even when I stay back. Now silence makes noise when you understand that. Not every threat is loud, not every power speaks first. Sometimes silence finishes it.